Good morning, students. May God bless you all. Today we are going to do lesson 7, Natural Calamities. In this lesson, we will be discussing about different types of natural calamities and the steps that can be taken to reduce the effect of natural calamity. What is a natural calamity? A natural event that causes great damage to life and property is called a natural calamity. Earthquakes, cyclones, floods, tsunamis, drought, famine, and volcanic eruptions are examples of natural calamities or natural disasters. Earthquakes. The crust of the earth is made of many plates. Earthquakes occur when these plates slip past each other. The ground shakes and this might result in cracks developing in the walls of houses. Sometimes buildings and houses may even fall down. Dams, bridges, and roads might be damaged. When an earthquake occurs under the sea, it causes huge waves called tsunamis. For example, the Indian Ocean earthquake in 2004 gave rise to a tsunami that killed over 170,000 people. The intensity of an earthquake is measured on the Richter scale. After an earthquake, the government provides tents, beds, and food to homeless people. Often the army is called out to help the people affected by calamities. So children, let's see what should we do if there is an earthquake. If you ever feel the ground starts shaking or see fans or pictures on the wall shaking, simply run out of the building as fast as you can. You are safer outside where nothing can fall on top of you. There are usually aftershocks which shake the ground hours or even days after a major earthquake. So, you should not enter the building even after the earthquake stops. A volcanic eruption can also cause an earthquake. A volcano is a hill or a mountain-like formation that has a vent through which magma and gases come out of the earth. Magma is molten rocks from below the earth's crust. The magma is called lava when it is on the surface of the earth. India's only active volcano is located at Barren Island, which is one of the islands in Andaman. Cyclones and floods. A cyclone is a very strong wind accompanied by very heavy rain. The strong winds and rain damage houses and spoil crops. They can even blow down electric lines. Floods also happen near the sea during cyclones, as the strong wind causes high waves called tidal waves in the sea. People and animals die due to drowning. Floods and cyclones cause great damage to life and property. Weather forecasters study the weather. They can predict a flood or a cyclone most of the times. A warning is given to the people over the TV, radio, or in newspapers. People move their animals and their belongings to safer places. However, the crops get damaged. When floods or cyclones occur, rescue workers are immediately put into action. The army is also called in to airlift stranded people as well as to airdrop food and medicines. Drought and famine. A drought is a dry period with rainfall far below the normal rate. Poor monsoon rains cause the groundwater level to drop sharply, and reservoirs, ponds, and lakes dry up. People do not get water in their taps. Farmers do not have enough water for their crops. Crops die, and there is less food. In severe droughts, people may even die because of the shortage of food. This is known as famine. There may also be widespread diseases due to a famine, leading to epidemics. The government and many non-governmental organizations provide money and help to the affected people. A natural calamity can slow down the progress of a country. However, it is a time to come together as a nation and face problems boldly.